Let's do exercise 2. I have gender, ID, number of drinks is in that description of your problem. Now we don't care about IDs because they're for individual measurements, and we don't care about the individual measurements. We're trying to summarize here. That's what the pivot table is for. So I put gender and I put number of drinks in my Excel spreadsheet. So what I wanted to do is I want to make a pivot table. So the first thing I would do is click over here on any entry, and I'm going to say insert, and I'm going to click on pivot table and pivot table. So it says choose the data you want to analyze, select a table or range. So it already has selected it. It's the way it's set up, it knows this is what we want. So that's already good like it is, and we want to put it in an existing worksheet. So I'm going to click on existing worksheet, and I'm going to click on this. This is where it's going to go, and I say OK. Alright, so we have gender, number of drinks. Now, according to report, it looked like we want to summarize it by number of people in that gender who drank that many drinks for each of the drinks. So what we're going to do is we want gender to be in the rows, and we want number of drinks to be in the columns. Okay, so there we have that. Now, we need to do the values. So I'm going to put gender down in number of values because I'm adding up the gender. The problem is this is wrong. I don't want to summarize or sum the gender. I want to add the number of people in the gender. So it's really a count. So what I'm going to do is click over here on the drop arrow, click on value field settings, and here's all these different things we could choose to do. And I want to do the count. So I click on count, I click OK, and there we have it. And if you look at the results, this is true. So we have one person of gender 2 who did a 1, and we really only have one person who drank only one drink. We have 2 of gender 1 that drank 2, so here's 1 and here's 2, so we can see they're here. Now if this was a huge amount of data, 1,000 people or something, we never would look at it like this, but I'm just showing you that it actually did work. And that is how you do this part of the assignment. If you have any questions, email.